Hello students, now we will move on to our next poem. It's poem number 5, Where Do All the Teachers Go? The poem is written by Peter Dixon. Here it is a curiosity of a child who wanted to know the whole life of his teachers. So, for a child, a little child, a teacher is special. It is difficult for a small child to think a teacher as an ordinary person. He think that a small child, he think that teacher is someone special person who does not make a mistakes. Okay, so the poem described the curiosity of a child in knowledge where his teacher goes. A teacher is a very special person for every child. He wants to know about the life of the teacher when the school hours are over. Now let's see what is his curiosity about his teacher. Now let's read our poem written by Peter Dixon. First paragraph. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses? Do they wash their socks? So it is a clear curiosity can be seen that a child wanted to know about teacher's life, that what he or she, whatever his teacher. Okay, so what teachers do after his school hours over, like other persons or ordinary persons? Do they live in houses and do they wash their own clothes? Okay, so if the teachers lives in a house or if they wash their clothes, so a child wanted to know that. Now second paragraph, do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV and do they pick their noses and same as you and me? So he also wants to know that do the teachers wear pajamas or watching TVs and pick their nose like you and me, like all ordinary person. Okay, so he is also interested to know that what the teachers wear and what the teachers do after his school hour over. Okay, do they pick their nose like all the ordinary person? Third paragraph, do they live with other people? Have they mums and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? So, a child also wants to know that do they live with other people or have they mums and dads? Means they have their mums and dads or not? And were there ever children? ક્યારેક એવો પણ children હતા? Okay, so આવું જાણવા માંગે છે. And were they ever bad? Children હતા અને ક્યારેક એવો પણ ખરાબ એમનું જે પરફોર્મન્સ હતું એ ખરાબ હતું ક્યારેક પણ. So a child wants to know about everything about his teacher. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? So, if the teachers never done a spelling mistakes, so he is very curious to know about teacher, that the teacher, if the teacher never spelling mistake ever and he never mistakes ever or he was never punished by their teachers. So the child wants to know if the teachers punished in a corner for the pinched chocolate flakes. Flakes here means chocolate chips. Okay, so if they never pinched a chocolate chips, so This he wants to know about teacher. Fifth paragraph. Did they ever lose their hymn and books? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desktops? So, if the teachers ever lose their hymn books means if the teacher ever lose his song book, ક્યારેક આ ટીચરો જે છે એમનાથી પણ મિસ્ટેક થાય, એમની ક્યારેક બુક ખોવાઈ ગઈ એવું બને. ઓકે, ડીડ ધે એવર લીવ ધેર ગ્રીન્સ? ઓકે, એમણે પણ ક્યારેક પોતાની ડિશની અંદર ગ્રીન વેજીટેબલ્સને છોડી દીધા હોય એવું બને કોઈક વાર. સો he wants to know about all these things. Did they scribble on the desktop? Okay, did the teacher make a meaningless mark on a desktop? Okay, so he wants to know everything about teacher. Now turn your page here. Did they wear old dirty jeans? I will follow one back home today. I will find out what they do. Then I will put it in a poem that they can read to you. So, did they wear old dirty jeans ever? ક્યારેક પણ old dirty jeans ટીચરો પહેરે? Okay, I will follow one back home today. Now, one day I will follow one teacher and I will find out all the answers of these questions. And then I will write about them in a poem so that a teacher can read. The teachers may read it for their students. Okay, so this is a poem about Peter Dickson, written by Peter Dickson, and it is about the curiosity of a little child who is very innocent, and the child, for a child, the teacher is very special. So he wants to know everything about his teacher. Okay, students, hope you understand the whole poem, and question answers we'll discuss later. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe, take care.